Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Jaya Radha Madhava, Jaya Kunja Vihari, Jaya Gopi Jana Vallabha, Jaya Girivaradhari.
Jai Radha Madhava, Jai Kunja Vihari, Jai Gopi Jana Vallabha, Girivaradhari.
Jaya Radha Madhava,
राम हरे राम 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 हरे हरे
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna. So, a very warm welcome to all of you for today's session on the Srimad Bhagavatam. We'll start our session with the prayers. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Narayanam Namaskritya. Naram Chaiva Narottamam. Devim Saraswatim Vyasam. Tato Jayamudiraye. नष्टप्रायेष्वभद्रेषु नित्यं भागवत सेवया भगवति उत्तमश्लोके भक्तिर्भवति नैष्ठिकी. So we are in a very special chapter of Srimad Bhagavatam where Lord Brahma is speaking to Narad Muni about the different avatars of the Lord, and not only different avatars but also different vibhutis, different empowered incarnations are also mentioned by Lord Brahma to Narad Muni. So we discussed about different avatars. We discussed about Lord Parshuram. We discussed about Manu, Vavasvat Manu, Prithu Maharaj. All these different avatars we have discussed in our previous session. Now today we'll start with text 23, shloka number 23.
अस्मत्प्रसाद सुमुखदया कलेशा इक्ष्वाकुवंश अवतीर्णोर्निदेशे तिष्ठवनं सदयितानुज आविवेश यस्मिन् अस्मत्प्रसाद सुमुखः कलया कलेशा इक्ष्वाकुवंश अवतीर्णोर्निदेशे तिष्ठवनं सदयितानुज आविवेश यस्मिन् विरुद्धशतमरार्तिमार्च्छत्.
Translation. Due to his
cosmic mercy upon all living entities
in the universe, the Supreme
Personality of Godhead,
along with
his plenary
extensions,
extensions,
appeared in the
family of
Maharaj
Maharaj
as the
as
Lord
the Lord
of
of his
internal
potency,
Sita. Under the order of his father
Maharaj Dashrath,
he entered
the forest and lived there for considerable years
with his wife and younger brother. Ravan, who was very materially powerful, with his 10
heads on his shoulders,
committed
a great offense against him
and was thus
ultimately vanquished.
So now
we see
the Supreme
Personality of Godhead.
He appeared in the form of Asmat Prasad Sukha. Asmat Prasad. Prasad means the causeless
mercy of Krishna,
the causeless
mercy of Supreme Personality of Godhead.
Sumukha Kalaya
Kalesha.
Kalaya means Kala Kalavatar means when the Lord his plenary expansions they descend. And
which are the plenary expansions of the Lord?
So as we know, in the Bhagavatam, we have discussed in the previous sessions also that Ete Jam Salaha Putsa Krishna Bhagwan Swayam. So there are different kinds of avatars of the Lord, and one of the avatars of the Lord called as Kalavatar. So Kala means the plenary expansions. So Krishna, when he starts expanding in the spiritual world, So
So
his
his
first
first
plenary
plenary
expansion
expansion is Lord
Balram,
Balram,
and then
and
Lord
then Lord Balram expands
into
into
quadruple
quadruple
expansion.
expansions.
4.
Four:
Vasudev,
Vasudev,
Sankarshan,
Sankarshan, Pradyumna, and
Aniruddha.
Aniruddha.
They are
They are
called
called
quadruple
quadruple
expansion.
expansions.
They are
They are
also
also called
plenary
plenary
expansion.
expansion.
The
The
first
first
plenary.
plenary expansion.
So
So
that's why
that's why Kalaya word is used.
Kalaya
Kalaya
means
means the
plenary
plenary
expansion
expansions
of the
of the
Lord.
Lord.
Kalesha.
Kalesha.
Kalesha
Kalesha means
with
with
all
all
his
his potencies,
the
the
Lord.
Lord appeared.
Ikshvaku
Ikshvaku Vansha, and he appeared in the dynasty of
King
King
Ikshvaku.
Ikshvaku.
Vansha
Vansha Avatirya.
and
And
who is
King
Ikshvaku?
Ikshvaku?
He
So he
is
is
the
the
descendant
descendant
of
of
Manu,
Manu,
right?
right?
Vaivasvat.
Vaivasvat Manu.
So
So
Ikshvaku
Ikshvaku
Vansha
Vansha Avatirya,
Guror
Guror Nideshe,
and
and
Avatir
Avatirya means
to
to
descend,
descend,
come
come
down,
down,
avatar.
avatar.
So the
So the
Lord
Lord
descended
descended
in
in
the
the
dynasty
dynasty
of
of King
Ikshvaku.
Ikshvaku.
And that's
That's
why
why this
Lord
Lord Ram is
Suryavanshi.
Suryavanshi Kshatriya.
Suryavanshi
Suryavanshi means
he
he
appeared
appeared
in
in
the
the
dynasty
dynasty
of
of
sun
Sun
god
God,
Manu.
Manu.
Vaivasvat,
Vaivasvat Manu.
because
Because
Vaivasvat
Vaivasvat
is
is
the
the
son
son
of
of
Vivaswan,
Vivaswan,
sun
Sun
god,
God,
and
and
Maharaj
Maharaj
Ikshvaku
Ikshvaku is the
is the descendant
descendant
of
of
Vaivasvat.
Vaivasvat Manu.
So
So
the
the
lineage
lineage is
of
of
sun
Sun
god,
God,
right?
right?
So
So
Avatir
Avatirya Guror Nideshe.
Guru
Guru
is the
is the
spiritual
spiritual
master.
master.
So
So
under
under
direction of
direction of
spiritual
spiritual
master,
master,
Nidesha
Nidesha means
under the
under the
order
order
Nidesh.
Nidesh.
Tishthan
Tishthan
Vanam.
Vanam.
So under
So
the
under the
order
order
of
of
his
his
father,
father,
Maharaj
Maharaj
Dasharath,
Dashrath,
Tishthan
Tishthan
Vanam,
Vanam.
Lord
Lord
Ram,
Ramchandra,
he
he
went to
went to
Vanam.
Vanam.
Vanam
Vanam
means
means
forest.
forest.
Sa
Sa
Daita
Daita
Anuja,
Anuja,
Avivesha.
Avivesha.
Along with
Along with
his
his
Daita.
Daita.
Daita
Daita
means
means
Mother
Mother
Sita,
Sita,
the
the
lover
lover
of
of
Lord
Lord
Ram.
Ram.
Daita
Daita
means
means lover.
Anuja,
Anuja means
the
the
younger
younger
brother.
brother.
So
So
younger
younger
brother
brother is
Lord
Lord
Lakshman.
Lakshman.
Avivesha.
Avivesha.
Vivesh
Vivesh means
to
to
enter.
enter.
So
So
Lord
Lord
Ramchandra
Ramchandra
went and entered the forest, and he
and
lived in
lived in
forest
forest
with his
with his
younger
younger
brother
brother
and
and
his
his
love,
love,
Mother
Mother
Sita.
Sita.
Yasmin
Yasmin
Virudhya
Virudhya Dasha
Kandhara
Kandhara
Arti
Arti
Marchat.
Marchat.
And then
And
what
then what
happened?
happened?
A
A
person
person
who
who
was
was
against
against
Lord
Lord
Ram.
Ram.
And who
And
was
who was
that?
that?
Dasha
Dasha
Kandhara.
Kandhara.
Dashanan
Dashanan also we say, no?
uh, Ravan.
Ravan.
So
So
Dasha
Dasha
Kandhara,
Kandhara,
Ravan
Ravan, he was against
Lord
Lord
Ram,
Ram,
Narti
Arti
Marchat.
Marchat.
And he
He
created
created
problems
problems
for
for
Lord
Lord
Ram.
Ram.
And then
And
what
then what
happened?
happened?
He was
He was
killed
killed
by
by
Lord
Lord
Ram.
Ram.
Right.
Right.
So
So
there
there
are
are
many
many
so-called
so-called
unauthorized
unauthorized
philosophers.
philosophers.
They
They
try
try
to
to
prove
prove
that
that
Lord
Lord
Ram
Ram
was an
was an
ordinary person or
or
Krishna
Krishna
was
was
an
an ordinary person.
But
But
here
here
clearly
clearly it is mentioned
that
that
Lord
Lord
Ram
Ram
is
is
the
the
plenary
plenary
expansion.
expansion.
He is
He
the
is the
supreme
supreme
personality
personality
of
of
God
Godhead himself.
right?
Right.
And
And
he
he
appeared
appeared
along with
along with
his
his
plenary
plenary
expansion.
expansion.
So
So
in
in
Ramayana,
Ramayana,
it is
it is
mentioned
mentioned
that
that
Lord
Lord
Ram
Ram
is
is
directly
directly
Vasudev.
Vasudev.
He is
He
the
is the
Lord
Lord
Vasudev
Vasudev. He
descends in
descends
the
in the
form of
form of
Lord
Lord
Ram.
Ram.
So
So
as we
as
know
we know
that
that
Lord
Lord
Balram,
Balram
he
he
expands
expands
into
into
quadruple
quadruple expansions.
Vasudev,
Vasudev,
Sankarshan,
Sankarshan,
Pradyumna,
Pradyumna,
and
and
Aniruddha.
Aniruddha.
So
So
Lord
Lord
Ram
Ram
is the
is the
expansion.
expansion.
He is
He is the
the avatar of
avatar of
Vasudev
Vasudev
portion
portion
of
of
the
the
supreme
supreme
personality of
personality of
God.
God.
Then
Then
Lord
Lord
Lakshman
Lakshman
is the
is the
avatar of
avatar of
Sankarshan
portion of
the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Then Bharat,
Bharat
he is the avatar of Pradyumna
Pradyumna portion of the Supreme Personality of God.
and Shatrugna,
Shatrugna
he is the
is the
avatar
avatar
of
of
Aniruddha,
Aniruddha portion of the Supreme Personality of God.
right?
Right.
So
So
those who are
not
those who have full fund of knowledge,
knowledge,
or those who don't have knowledge about the potency of God, they sometimes describe Lord Ramchandra as a sometimes they accept Lord Ram as the Supreme Personality of Godhead, but sometimes they try to prove that Lord Ramchandra's brothers are ordinary. But no, his brothers
also
are expansions of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. They were his plenary expansion. Vasudev expands into quadruple expansion. Vasudev,
Sankarshan, Pradyumna, Aniruddha.
so they are all his expansions only. They are all expansions of Lord Ram.
only.
They are not ordinary. The brothers of Lord Ramchandra. Right. So Lord Ram is the incarnation of Vasudev. Lakshman is the incarnation of Sankarshan. Bharat is the incarnation of Pradyumna. And Shatrugna is the incarnation of Aniruddha, avatar of Buddha. Right. And Mother Sita, she is the avatar of Mother Lakshmi. Right. So she is not an ordinary woman. Right. And she is not Durga. She is not Parvati. She is Lakshmi, who is the internal potency of Vasudeva. Lakshmi ji, Mother Sita. So Durga or Mother Parvati, they are related to Shiva, not to Vishnu. Right. So Mother Sita is the avatar of Lakshmi ji, Mother Lakshmi. Right. So Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, as we have discussed many times, that yada yada hi dharmasya glanirvavati bharata abhyuthanam dharmasya sadathanam jnamyaham. Mentions about this in the seventh shloka of the fourth chapter. That whenever there is discrepancy in religion or dharma, at that time I descend. Right. So Lord Ramchandra also appeared for the same purpose, to re-establish dharma. Right. As we know, Lord Parshuram had killed Kshatriyas 11 times. 21 times. Because Kshatriyas became unruly. So to show the world a right, perfect Kshatriya, what is the meaning of a king? Right. What is the meaning of an ideal son? So Lord Ramchandra, the Lord appeared, Vasudeva appeared as Lord Ram on this earthly planet. Why? Why he descended? To show to the world a perfect human being. What is the meaning of a perfect human being? Of course, human beings can never be perfect. Only God can be perfect. But to show to us by his practical example, what is the meaning of an ideal son? What is the meaning of an ideal husband? What is the meaning of an ideal father? What is the meaning of an ideal king? Raja Ram, King Ram. Lord Ram is known as the greatest king, the greatest son, the greatest husband, and the greatest father. Now, ordinary people are materialistic. So they think ideal, they have their own concoctions about ideal husband, ideal son, ideal father. But no, he was an ideal son. That's what is mentioned in the shloka, you see. And ordered by Maharaj Dasharatha, he went to the forest. And to protect his wife, because he loved his wife. So he killed the greatest, the most powerful man in the world. He killed. Right. So how much he loved Mother Sita. And then a greatest
greatest
king
king
to
to
show to
show
the
to the
world
world
that I'm
that I'm
not
not
attached to
attached
my
to my
family, I'm
family, I'm
attached to
attached
my
to my
citizens.
citizens.
Family
Family
is
is
secondary.
secondary.
My
My
citizens and
citizens and
my
my
praja or
praja
my
or my
subjects are
subjects
my
are my
priority.
priority.
He
He
even
even
left Mother
left Mother
Sita, whom
Sita,
he
whom he
loved the
loved the
most.
most.
So that
So
is
that
an
is an
ideal
ideal
king,
king,
no?
no?
That he
That he
puts
puts
family
family
affairs
affairs
secondary.
secondary.
Like
Like
that's
that's
what
what we see
nowadays in
nowadays in
Kali
Kali
Yuga.
Yuga.
People
People
put their
put their
family
family
first, their
first, their
son, their
son, their
daughter,
daughter,
their
their
wife
wife
first,
first,
and
and
citizens are
citizens are
second.
neglected.
That is
That
not
is
a
not
king.
a king.
King
King
means
means
for
for
him,
him,
he is
he is
ready to
ready to
leave
leave
his
his
family
family
for
for
his
his
praja,
praja,
to
to
set an
set an
ideal
ideal
example
example
for
for
his
his
sons
sons
also,
also.
who is
So
the
he's the
greatest
greatest
father.
father.
That his
That his
sons will
sons will
also
also
learn
learn
from his
from his
father.
father.
That
That
my
my
citizens or
citizens
my
or my
praja
praja is
paramount,
paramount.
and
And
the
the
greatest
greatest
king,
king,
Ram
Ram
Rajya,
Rajya, we
you
say,
know,
no?
the
The
greatest
greatest
king
king
ever
ever
who
who
walked on
walked on
earth.
earth.
That is
That is
Lord
Lord
Ram.
Ram.
King has
King
to
has
set
to set
example for
example
his.
for his citizens.
So
So
that is
that is
Lord
Lord
Ram,
Ram.
the greatest
Greatest
king,
king,
the greatest
greatest
father,
father, the
greatest
greatest
son,
son,
and the
and the
greatest
greatest husband
ever
ever
in
in
humanity.
humanity.
Right?
Right?
So
So
Ravan,
Ravan,
he
he
committed
committed
an
an
offense.
offense.
You
You
see,
see,
Yasmin
Yasmin
Virodhya.
Virodhya.
So
So
Ravan,
Ravan,
he
he
committed an
committed an
offense.
offense.
He
He
wanted to
wanted to
enjoy
enjoy
Sita
Sita
or
or
Lakshmi,
Lakshmi.
right?
Right?
And
And
Ravan
Ravan
represents
represents
a
a material
materialistic man who
man who
wants to
wants to
enjoy
enjoy
Lakshmi
Lakshmi
for his
for
own
his own
pleasure.
pleasure.
But
But
no,
no,
you
you
cannot do
cannot do
that.
that.
Lakshmi, Mother
Mother
Lakshmi can
Lakshmi can
only be
only be
enjoyed
enjoyed
by
by
Lord
Lord
Ram.
Ram.
And that is
That
why
is why
Lakshman
Lakshman
represents
represents
a
a
materialistic
materialistic
man, and
man,
he
and he
wanted to
wanted to
snatch
snatch
Mother
Mother
Sita
Sita
from
from
Lord
Lord
Ram.
Ram.
But
But
then
then
Lord
Lord
Ram
Ram
or
or
Hari,
Hari,
Krishna,
Krishna
is
is
ready to
ready to
kill
kill
anyone.
anyone.
All his
All his
materialistic
materialistic
ambitions.
ambitions.
Here he
Here
is
he is
mentioned that
mentioned
he
that
was
he was
10-headed.
10-headed.
So that means
That
he's
means he's
very
very
powerful.
powerful.
All his
All his
materialistic
materialistic
ambitions
ambitions
was
was
uh, completely
completely
destroyed by
destroyed by
Lord.
Lord Ram.
So
So
Lord
Lord
Ram
Ram
is
is
the
the
complete
complete
incarnation of
incarnation
the
of the
Lord
Lord
with
with
all
all
six
six
opulences,
opulences.
right?
Right?
The
The
incarnation of
incarnation of
Lord,
Lord
but the
or the
avatar of
avatar of
Lord
Lord
Vasudeva.
Vasudeva.
That is
That is
Lord
Lord
Ram.
Ram.
Now,
Now,
text
text
24,
24,
shloka
shloka
number
number
24.
24.
Yasma'adat
Yasma'adat udadhirudha
bhayang vepo
bhayangavepo
margam
margam
padyaripuram
sapadyaripuram
bharavat sho
bharavatitasho
dure
dure
suhrinmat
subhrinmatit
rosh shona
roshashona drishya
tatap manam
tatapyamanam
chakra
chakraha
yasma'adat
yasma'adat udadhirudha
bhayang vepo
bhayangavepo
margam
margam
padyaripuram
sapadyaripuram
bharavat sho
bharavatitasho
dure
dure
suhrinmat
subhrinmatit
rosh shona
roshashona
drishya
drishya
tatap manam
tatapyamanamakaroraganatra
Translation:
Translation:
the
the
personality of
personality of
Godhead
Godhead
Lord
Lord
Ramchandra,
Ramchandra,
being
being
aggrieved
aggrieved
for his
for his
distant,
distant,
intimate
intimate
friend
friend
Sita,
Sita,
glanced
glanced
for the
over the
city of
city
the
of the
enemy
enemy
Ravan
Ravan
with
with
red
red
hot
hot
eyes
eyes
like
like
those of
those of
Bhara,
Bhara,
who wanted to
wanted to
burn the
burn the
kingdom of
kingdom of
heaven.
heaven.
The
The
great
great
ocean,
ocean,
trembling in
trembling in
fear,
fear,
gave him
gave
his
him his
way
way
because its
because its
family
family
members,
members,
the
the
aquatics like
aquatics
the
like the
sharks,
sharks,
snakes, and
snakes, and
crocodiles,
crocodiles,
were
were
being
being
burned by
burnt
the
by the
heat of
heat
the
of the
angry
angry
red
red
hot
hot
eyes of
eyes
the
of the
Lord.
Lord.
Now you
Now you
see,
see,
Yasma
Yasma
Adad
Adad
Udati
Udati
Rudha
Rudha
Bhayanga.
Bhayanga.
So the
So the
Lord,
Lord,
He
He
Udadhi
Udadi
means
means
ocean.
ocean.
Rudha
Rude
Bhayanga
Bhayanga
Vepo.
Vepo.
He
He
glanced
glanced
over the
over the
ocean
ocean
and Margam Sapadyaripuram Haravar Didhaksho. So he glanced over the ocean, Margam
Sapadi
and
Angavapo,
and his
his
body
body
was
was
Lord Ram
Ramchandra's. He was
very
very
angry.
angry.
With
With
his
his
anger, he
anger, he
glanced
glanced
over the
over the
ocean.
ocean.
And then what happened? Margam
Margam Sapadi
and
and
ocean
ocean
gave
gave
him the
him the
way.
way.
Why?
Why?
Because
Because
Dure
Dure
Suhrin
Suhrin
Matita
Matita
Rosha
Rosha
Shishona
Shishona
Drishtya.
Drishtya.
Because
Because
Dure
Dure
Suhrin,
Suhrin,
his
his
intimate
intimate
friend,
friend,
his
his
associate,
associate,
his
his
love
love
of
of life,
Mother
Mother
Sita,
Sita,
was
was
captured
captured
by
by
Ravana.
Ravan.
Mathita
Matita
Rosha
Rosha
Shishona
Shishona
Drishtya.
Drishtya.
And
And
Lord
Lord
Ramchandra
Ramchandra
was
was
Rosha,
Rosha, very angry.
Sushona,
Sushona Drishtya.
and his
And his
eyes
eyes
were
were
red
red
hot
hot
because of
because of
anger.
anger.
Tatapyamana
Tatapyamana
Magaro
Magaro
Raga
Raga
Nakru
Nakru
Chakraha.
Chakraha.
Tatapyamana.
Tatapyamana.
And
And
because
because
of
of the
fear of
fear of
Lord
Lord
Ram,
Ram,
because of
because
his
of his
anger,
anger,
Makar
Makar
Uraga.
Uraga.
Makara,
Makara means
the
the
ocean
ocean
aquatics like
aquatics like
sharks,
sharks,
whales,
whales,
or
or
the
the
fishes.
fishes.
Uraga,
Uraga,
the
the
snakes.
snakes.
Nakra,
Nakra,
crocodile.
crocodiles.
Chakraha.
Chakraha.
All
All
these
these
aquatics, they
aquatics they
started
started
trembling,
they started
to
to
tremble in
tremble in
fear
fear
because of
because
the
of the
heat
heat
generated by
generated
the
by the
anger of
anger of
Lord
Lord
Ram.
Ram.
Right?
Right?
So,
So
many
many
those who
those who
don't have
don't have
knowledge
knowledge
about
about the Supreme
Personality
Personality of
Godhead,
Godhead,
they
they
try to
try to
prove that
prove that
Lord
Lord
Ram
Ramchandra
never
never
became
became
angry.
angry.
But
But
no,
no,
when Mother
Mother
Sita was
Sita was
captured by
captured by
Ravan,
Ravan,
Lord
Lord
Ram
Ram
became
became
angry,
angry,
very
very
angry.
angry.
Right?
Right?
So,
So,
like
like
we are
we are
conscious
conscious
beings,
beings,
why
why
we are
we are conscious beings?
oh,
Because
Krishna is
Krishna
the
is the
conscious.
conscious being.
He is the
He is the
supreme
Supreme
person.
Person.
We are
We are
qualitatively
qualitatively
one with
one
the
with the
Lord.
Lord.
So,
So,
whatever
whatever
qualities we
qualities we
have,
have,
they
they
are
are
in
in
completeness
completeness
in the
in the
Lord.
Lord.
So,
So
anger is
anger is
also a
also a
manifestation of
manifestation
the
of the
Lord's
Lord's
potency
potency
only.
only.
So, it's
So
not
it's
that
not
he
that he
cannot
cannot
become
become
angry.
angry.
He
He
also
also
becomes
becomes
angry.
angry.
Right?
Right?
But
But
his
his
anger
anger
is
is
not
not
ordinary
ordinary
anger
anger
like
like
our
our
anger.
anger.
Right?
Right?
So, in
So in
the
the
Vedas, it
Vedas
is
it is
mentioned
mentioned
that
that
Nityanam
Nityanam
Chetana
Chetanash
Chetanam
Chetananam
Eko
Eko
Yogamam
Yogamam
Vidhati
Vidhati
Kama.
Kama.
So,
So
we are
we are
also
also
Nitya
Nitya
and
and
Lord is
Lord is
also
also
Nitya.
Nitya.
We are
We are
also
also
eternal. He
eternal.
is
He is
also
also
eternal.
eternal.
But
But
we
we
are
are
infinitesimal
infinitesimal
eternals
eternals
and
and
Krishna
Krishna
is
is
supreme
supreme
eternal.
eternal.
Okay.
Okay.
So,
So
our
our
anger
anger is very
is
infinitesimal,
minute.
minute.
Our
Our
anger
anger
does
does
nothing.
nothing.
But
But
when
when
Lord
Lord
became
became
angry,
angry,
you see
you
his
see his
anger.
anger.
It
It
started
started
heating up
heating
the
up the
whole
whole
ocean.
ocean.
That
That
is the
is the
anger of
anger of
Krishna.
Krishna.
That is
That
the
is the
anger of
anger of
Lord
Lord
Ram.
Ram.
Right?
Right?
So
So
our
our
anger
anger
is
is
very
very
small,
small,
very
very
minute.
minute.
His
His
anger
anger is
can,
can
heat up
heat
the
up the
whole
whole
ocean.
ocean.
That is
That
the
is the
difference
difference
between
between
us
us
and the
and the
Lord.
Lord.
So,
So
Lord,
Lord, so
our
our
anger is
anger is
mundane.
mundane.
No,
No,
our
our
anger is
anger is
not
not
like,
like
because it's
because it's
material.
material.
Lord
Lord
Ramchandra's
Ramchandra's
anger is
anger
not
is not
mundane.
mundane.
His
His
anger is
anger is
also
also
spiritual.
spiritual.
His
His
anger is
anger is
also
also
transcendental.
transcendental.
Otherwise, how
Otherwise, how
could
could
it
it
heat up
heat
the
up the
ocean?
ocean?
Can
Can
anyone's
anyone's
anger heat
anger
up
heat
the
up the
ocean?
ocean?
No. Lord
Lord
Ramchandra's
Ramchandra's
anger
anger
heated up
heated
the
up the
whole
whole
ocean.
ocean.
And
And
because of
because of
that,
that,
ocean
ocean
had
had
to
to
give
give
way to
way to
Lord
Lord
Ram
Ram
to go
to
to
go to
Lanka.
Lanka.
You see,
You see,
he
he
could
could
disturb the
disturb
whole
the whole
ocean by
ocean
his
by his
anger.
anger.
That
That
is the
is the
Lord.
Lord.
That is
That is
superhuman.
superhuman.
That is
That is
Lord
Lord
Ram.
Ram.
Right?
Right?
So
So
Krishna's
Krishna's
anger
anger
also
also
is
is
as absolute,
absolute,
not
not
like
like
our
our
mundane.
mundane.
No, it's absolute in
Absolute in
potency,
potency,
and
and
that is
that is
represented by the
by the
anger of
anger of
Lord
Lord
Ram.
Ram.
So
So
it's
it's
not
not
that
that
Lord Ram
Lord
never
Ram never
became
became
angry. He
angry. He
became
became
angry,
angry.
and Lord
Lord
also
also
became
becomes
angry. But his anger is not like our anger, right? Not mundane. His anger is
worshipped.
here,
Here,
Lord
Lord
Brahma is worshipping that anger.
anger.
You see,
See?
right?
Right.
So
So
ordinary
ordinary
people
people
cannot
cannot
understand
understand
Krishna.
Krishna.
Krishna
Krishna can only be understood by
those
those who are
pure
pure
devotees
devotees of
of Krishna.
Krishna.
Lord
Lord
Brahma,
Brahma,
being a
being a
pure
pure
devotee of
devotee of
Krishna,
Krishna,
he
he
is
is
giving the
giving the
description of
description of
the
the
potencies
potencies
of
of
the
the
Lord,
Lord,
the
the
avatars of
avatars
the
of the
Lord.
Lord.
Now,
Now,
text
text
25,
25,
sloka
shloka
number
number
20.
24.
Vakshasthala
Vakshasthala sparsha rupta mahendra vaha
Danta
danta vidambita
Kukubjusha
kukupchusha udha
Udhasi
hasam
Satyo
satyo
Subhi
subhi
Sahavin
sahavinishyati
Dara
dara hartur
Visfur Retire
visfutayardhansha
Charato
uttarato
Vakshasthala
vakshasthala
Sharu
sparsha rupta
Mahendra
mahendra
Vaha
vaha
Danta
danta vidambita
Kukubjusha
kukupchusha udha hasam
Udhasi Satyo
satyo
Subhi
subhi sahavinishyati
Dara
dara hartur
Visfur Retire Dhanusha Ucharato Translation.
Translation.
When
When
Ravan
Ravan
was
was
engaged in
engaged
the
in the
battle,
battle,
the
the
trunk of
trunk
the
of the
elephant which
elephant which
carried the
carried the
king of
king of
heaven,
heaven,
Indra,
Indra,
broke in
broke in
pieces,
pieces,
having
having
collided with
collided
the
with the
chest of
chest of
Ravan,
Ravan,
and
and
scattered broken
broken
parts,
parts,
illuminated all
illuminated all
directions.
directions.
Ravan
Ravan
therefore
therefore
felt
felt
proud of
proud
his
of his
prowess,
prowess,
began to
began to
loiter in
loiter
the
in the
midst
midst
of the
of the
fighting
fighting
soldiers,
soldiers,
thinking
thinking
himself the
himself the
conqueror of
conqueror
all
of all
directions.
directions.
But his
But his
laughter,
laughter,
overtaken by
overtaken by
joy,
joy,
along with
along
his
with his
very
very
air of
air of
life,
life,
suddenly
suddenly
ceased
ceased
with the
with the
tingling
tingling
sound of
sound
the
of the
bow
bow
of
of
Chandra,
Ramchandra,
personality of
personality of
God.
God.
You see,
See,
now what is
what is
mentioned?
mentioned here?
Vakshasthala.
Vakshasthala.
Vakshasthala
Vakshasthala
means the
means the
chest of
chest of
Ravan.
Ravan.
Sparsha
Sparsha
Rupa
Rupa
Mahendra
Mahendra
Vaha,
Vaha.
when
When
was
was
touched by
touched by
Mahendra
Mahendra
or
or
Indra,
Indra,
then
then
Dantair
Dantair
Vedam
Vedambit
Kupjusha,
Kupjusha,
Ud
Ud
Hasam.
Hasam.
At
At
that
that
time,
time,
Kukubjusha,
Kukupchusha.
sorry,
Sorry,
Kukubjusha.
Kukupchusha.
So
So
in all
in
the
all the
directions,
directions,
there
there
was,
was.
uh, so
So
when
when
Ravan
Ravan
was
was
attacked by
attacked by
Indra
Indra
and
and
colliding with
colliding with
the
the
chest of
chest of
Ravan,
Ravan,
Dantai,
Dantai,
Dantai means
Dantai means the teeth,
the
the
elephant's teeth.
elephant's teeth.
And which
And which
elephant?
elephant?
So
So
Indra,
Indra has
he
he
rides on
rides on
an
an
elephant
elephant
called,
called
uh,
uh,
it's a
it's a
white
white
elephant.
elephant.
And and
And
as we
as
know,
we know,
elephant
elephant has
has
two
2 teeth,
teeth,
right?
right?
So
So
Indra was
Indra was
riding
riding
on that
on that
elephant,
elephant,
Ravan,
Ravat,
the
the
name of
name
the
of the
elephant,
elephant,
and he
and he
attacked
attacked
Ravan.
Ravan.
And
And
as soon
as
as
soon
the
as the
elephant
elephant's teeth
touched the
touched the
chest of
chest of
Ravan,
Ravan,
it
it
turned
turned
into,
into, it
broke
broke
into
into
pieces.
pieces.
And then what
Then what
happened?
happened?
Sadhyo
Sadhyo
Subhi
Subhi
Saha
Saha
Vinesh
Vineshati
Dar
Dara
Har.
Hartu.
And very
Very
quickly, what
quickly, what
happened?
happened?
All the
All the
directions,
directions.
you
You
see,
see,
Dantar
Dantar
Vedam
Vidambita
Kakub
Kakubjusha
Udha
Udha
Hasa.
Hasam.
So in
So
all
in
the
all the
directions,
directions,
they all
they all
become
become
illuminated,
illuminated,
and
and
Ravan
Ravan
Udha
Udha
Hasa, he
Hasam
started
started
laughing.
laughing.
So then
So
what
then what
happened?
happened?
Sadhyo
Sadhyo
Subhi
Subhi
Saha
Saha
Vinesh
Vineshati
Dar
Dara
Hartu.
Hartu.
All his
All his
laughter
laughter
was
was
stopped.
stopped.
All his
All his
laughter
laughter
was,
was,
it all
it all
ended
ended
by
by
the
the
Dar
Dar
Hartu,
Hartur,
right?
right?
Because he kidnapped Tara means
means
wife.
wife.
Harpur means
means
kidnapper. Because he kidnapped the
the
wife of
wife of
Lord
Lord
Ram,
Ram.
all his
All his
laughter
laughter
stopped.
stopped.
Why?
Why?
Visphur Jutaye. Visphur because of the tinkling of the, or you can say the sound of the bow of Lord Ram. Dhanush. Visphur Jutaye Dhanush. Dhanush means the Dhanush, the bow of Lord Ram. The sound of the bow of the Lord ended all the laughter of Lord all the laughter of Ravan. And Uchcharato Saini. In between, both the armies were fighting, Lord Ram's army and Ravan's army. But Lord Ramchandra
just
took his bow, and by the sound of the bow of Lord Ram, Ravan, all laughter was destroyed, killed. Lord Ramchandra killed killed Ravan. You see, so that is Lord Ram. Rakhe ke, mare Krishna ke. If Krishna decides to kill, no one can protect. How much ever powerful a person may be, but when he is killed by the Lord, no one can protect him. And however weak a person may be, but if he is protected by Krishna, no one can kill him. And however powerful a person may be, if Krishna decides to, no one can protect also. So that was represented by this pastime of Lord Ram. So that is what we are seeing. So all of you like the video, comment on the video. Stop here. Continue our discussion. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.
Jaya Radha Madhava Jaya Kunja Bihari Jaya Gopi Jana Vallabha Girivardhari Jaya Radha Madhava Jaya Kunja Bihari Jaya Gopi Jana Vallabha Jaya Girivardhari Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare बलदेवा सुभद्रामय्या सुदर्शना
जय जगन्नाथा जगन्नाथा बलदेवा जय सुभद्रामय्या
जय निताई गौरंगो निताई गौरंगो निताई गौरंगो निताई गौरंगो
जय निताई गौरांगो निताई गौरांगो निताई गौरांगो जय निताई गौरांगो
हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल
हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल
जय जय प्रभुपाद 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 प्रभुपाद
जय प्रभुपाद 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 प्रभुपाद
जय राधा माधवम जय कुंज बिहारी जय गोपी जन वल्लभा गिरिवरधारी
जय राधा माधव जय कुंज बिहारी जय गोपी जन वल्लभा जय गिरिवरधारी
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे
हरे कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
जय जगन्नाथ बलदेवा सुभद्रामय्या सुदर्शना
जय जगन्नाथा जगन्नाथा बलदेवा जय सुभद्रामय्या
जय निताई गौरंगो निताई गौरंगो निताई गौरंगो निताई गौरंगो
जय निताई गौरांगो निताई गौरांगो निताई गौरांगो जय निताई गौरांगो
हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि
हरे
हरे
कृष्ण।
कृष्णा।
आप सबका बहुत
बहुत स्वागत
आज के भागवत
भागवत
समय
में।
और प्रार्थना के साथ अपने सत्र को प्रारंभ करेंगे।
प्रारंभ करें।
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत्। नष्टप्रायेष्वभद्रेषु नित्यं भागवत सेवया भगवति उत्तमश्लोके भक्तिर्भवति नैष्ठिकी। तो हम बहुत ही विशेष अध्याय में हैं भागवत पुराण के, जिसमें हम ब्रह्मा जी के शुभ मुख से सुन रहे हैं भगवान के अलग अलग अवतारों के बारे में और विभूतियों के बारे में जो ब्रह्मांड में अवतरित होते हैं और इस ब्रह्मांड के लिए में धर्म को स्थापित करते हैं। तो हमने देखा मनु के बारे में, भगवान परशुराम के बारे में। अब आज हम प्रारंभ करेंगे अपनी चर्चा को 23वें श्लोक से। 23वां श्लोक। अस्मत् प्रसाद सुमुख कलया कलेश इक्ष्वाकु वंश अवतीर्य गुरोर्निदेशे तिष्ठन् वनं सदयितानुज आविवेश यस्मिन् विरुध्य दशकन्धर आर्तिमार्च्छत्। अस्मत् प्रसाद सुमुख कलया कलेश। इक्ष्वाकु वंश अवतीर्य गुरोर्निदेशे तिष्ठन् वनं सदयितानुज आविवेश यस्मिन् विरुध्य दशकन्धर आर्तिमार्च्छत्। ट्रांसलेशन अनुवाद। Due to his causeless mercy upon all living entities within the universe, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, along with his plenary extensions, appeared in the family of Maharaj Ikshvaku as the lord of his internal potency Sita, under the order of his father Maharaj Dashrath. He entered the forest and lived there for considerable years with his wife and younger brother. Ravan, who was very materially powerful with 10 heads on his shoulders, committed a great offense against him and was thus ultimately vanquished. अब हम इसका अनुवाद देख लेते हैं हिंदी में। तो ब्रह्मा जी कह रहे हैं नारद मुनि से कि असीम कृपा, भगवान की असीम कृपा के कारण, उनके प्रसाद के कारण जो ब्रह्मांड के जीवों के प्रति उनका है, वो अपने विस्तारों के साथ अवतरित हुए महाराज इक्ष्वाकु के वंश में और सीता माता के भगवान के रूप में महाराज दशरथ के आदेश के अनुसार वो जंगल में गए और वहां पे कई सालों तक रहे अपनी पत्नी और अपने भाई लक्ष्मण के साथ। रावण जो बहुत ही शक्तिशाली था, जिसके 10 सर थे, उसने उनके विरुद्ध गया और उसका विनाश हुआ। तो अब आप देखिए, यहाँ पे भगवान राम के बारे में ब्रह्मा जी बता रहे हैं कि अस्मत् प्रसाद सुमुख कलया कलेश। अस्मत् प्रसाद, क्योंकि भगवान जो है वो प्रसाद, वो अपने भक्तों के प्रति और अपने जीवों के प्रति बहुत ही करुणा रखते हैं। तो उनकी कृपा, प्रसाद का मतलब उनकी कृपा के कारण कलया कलेश, उन्होंने, आप देखिए अपने स्क्रीन पे, कलया कलेश, कलया का मतलब होता है कलावतार भगवान के। तो भगवान के कई तरह के अवतार होते हैं, यहाँ पे भगवान राम जो है वो कलावतार है और भगवान राम के जितने भाई हैं वो सब कलावतार है। तो कलया कलेश, तो अपनी कला, जो कला का मतलब होता है विस्तार। तो जैसा हमने ब्रह्म संहिता में भी देखा था और कई बार हमने चर्चा किया इस बारे में कि भगवान कृष्ण जब अपना विस्तार करते हैं तो उनके सबसे पहले विस्तार कौन है आध्यात्मिक जगत में? बलराम। और बलराम फिर अपना विस्तार करते हैं चार विस्तार हैं उनके, मतलब चतुर्व्यूह जिसे कहते हैं। तो चतुर्व्यूह विस्तार जो बलराम जी के हैं वो चार हैं। कौन कौन से? तो सबसे पहले वासुदेव, फिर संकर्षण, फिर प्रद्युम्न और फिर अनिरुद्ध। तो भगवान राम जो हैं वो वासुदेव के अवतार हैं, लक्ष्मण संकर्षण के, भरत, तो भगवान राम के तीन भाई थे, वो लोग चार भाई थे कुल, भगवान राम, भगवान लक्ष्मण, भगवान भरत और भगवान शत्रुघ्न। तो राम जो है वो वासुदेव के अवतार हैं, लक्ष्मण संकर्षण के, भरत जो है वो प्रद्युम्न के अवतार हैं और शत्रुघ्न जो है वो अनिरुद्ध के अवतार हैं। तो ये चार अवतार भगवान के हैं। तो कई जो जिन्हें ज्ञान नहीं है इस बारे में, या जो प्रामाणिक सूत्र से जिन्हें जो ज्ञान नहीं लेते, वो लोग इस तरह की बातें करते हैं कि भगवान के जो भाई थे वो साधारण मनुष्य थे। बिल्कुल नहीं। यहाँ पे आप क्लियरली देख सकते हैं, बिल्कुल भगवान के बारे में ब्रह्मा जी बिल्कुल स्पष्ट बता रहे हैं कि कलया कलेश, तो अपने भाइयों के साथ आए और वो भगवान के सारे कलावतार थे। इक्ष्वाकु वंश अवतीर्य, और किस वंश में अवतीर्य हुए भगवान, अवतरित हुए भगवान? तो इक्ष्वाकु वंश अवतीर्य, उनका अवतार इक्ष्वाकु के वंश में हुआ। इसीलिए भगवान राम सूर्य वंश क्षत्रिय कहलाते हैं, क्योंकि इक्ष्वाकु जो है वो मनु के पुत्र हैं, और मनु किसके पुत्र हैं? सूर्यदेव के। इसलिए उन्हें वैवस्वत मनु कहते हैं, क्योंकि विवस्वान के पुत्र हैं। तो विवस्वान के पुत्र मनु, और मनु के वंश में ही इक्ष्वाकु, और इक्ष्वाकु के वंश में भगवान राम। तो इसलिए भगवान राम सूर्य वंश क्षत्रिय हैं। तो भगवान राम इक्ष्वाकु वंश में प्रकट हुए और गुरोर निर्देश और अपने पिता के आदेश के अनुसार तिष्ठन वनम, वन में रहे कई सालों तक। दयिता अनुज, किसके साथ? दयिता, अपने प्रेमी, अपनी प्रेमिका सीता माता। दयिता मतलब जिससे वो प्रेम करते थे, और अनुज, अनुज मतलब उनका छोटा भाई लक्ष्मण। आविवेश, वन में प्रवेश किया और वन में कई साल रहे। लेकिन यस्मिन विरुद्ध दशकंधर, दशकंधर मतलब दशानन कहते हैं ना रावण को, तो दशकंधर मतलब जिसके 10 सर हैं। तो 10 सर वाला रावण जो था वो विरुद्ध, भगवान के विरुद्ध चला गया और भगवान ने उसका विनाश कर दिया। आरती मर्क्षक, उनको उनको परेशान करना चाहा, उनको विरुद्ध गया वो, तो भगवान ने उसका विनाश कर दिया। ठीक है। तो सीता माता जैसे जो तीन भाई हैं भगवान के, वो सब भगवान के ही विस्तार हैं, सब भगवान के अवतार हैं, और कोई भी इसमें से साधारण मनुष्य नहीं है। और सीता माता जो है वो कौन है? वो है लक्ष्मी, लक्ष्मी माता सीता माता है। तो दुर्गा नहीं है वो, लक्ष्मी। दुर्गा कौन है? वो तो शिव जी से उनका संबंध है, उनका भगवान राम से संबंध नहीं। तो लक्ष्मी की अवतार है सीता माता, और इस तरह से भगवान अवतरित हुए अपने सारे भाइयों और अपनी पत्नी लक्ष्मी सीता माता के साथ। तो भगवान जैसा भगवत गीता में बताते हैं, यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम्, जो भगवान चौथे अध्याय में बताते हैं 7वें श्लोक में। तो जब जब धर्म की हानि होती है, जैसा हम सब जानते हैं, हमने देखा है पिछले सत्र में कि परशुराम भगवान ने आके क्षत्रियों को 21 बार नष्ट किया इस पृथ्वी से, क्योंकि क्षत्रिय जो थे, वो जो राजा लोग थे, वो विरुद्ध चले गए थे, धर्म के विरुद्ध हो गए थे, या धर्म आप कह सकते हैं कि अधर्मी हो गए थे। तो धर्म की स्थापना कौन करेगा? तो भगवान राम आए उसी धर्म की स्थापना करने के लिए। तो भगवान राम, उन्होंने आके दर्शाया हम सबको कि एक बिल्कुल परफेक्ट मनुष्य, एक उच्चतम मनुष्य, नरोत्तम, नरों में उत्तम किसे कहते, सबसे उत्तम मनुष्य का उदाहरण हम सबके सामने दिया। क्योंकि मनुष्य तो कभी भी बिल्कुल बिना किसी त्रुटि के तो नहीं हो सकता, वो तो सिर्फ भगवान ही हो सकते हैं। तो वैसा मनुष्य का उदाहरण भगवान ने हम सबको दिया कि बिना किसी कमी के, बिना किसी त्रुटि के एक मनुष्य कैसा होता है। आज तक इस पृथ्वी पे सबसे महान मनुष्य का उदाहरण अगर है तो वो भगवान राम है, क्योंकि भगवान ही एक उच्चतम मनुष्य का उदाहरण दे सकते हैं। मनुष्य के रूप में आके उन्होंने उदाहरण दिया हम सबको कि एक श्रेष्ठ पुत्र, एक श्रेष्ठ राजा, एक श्रेष्ठ पति और एक श्रेष्ठ पिता और एक श्रेष्ठ भ्राता। तो लोग अपने अपने, चूंकि सब लोग भौतिक आवरण में होते हैं, तो वो अपने अपने हिसाब से अपनी अपनी कल्पना करते हैं, श्रेष्ठ भ्राता, श्रेष्ठ इसका। लेकिन भगवान राम ने आके उदाहरण दिया, एक श्रेष्ठ पुत्र। पिता ने कहा जंगल चले जाओ, चले गए। पिता ने कहा राजा बन जाओ, बन गए, है ना। श्रेष्ठ पति, अपनी पत्नी से इतना प्रेम करते थे कि पत्नी के लिए रावण, जो पृथ्वी सबसे शक्तिशाली इंसान था, उसको मार दिया, पूरी लड़ गए अकेले, इतना प्रेम करते थे। लेकिन जब राजा बनने का समय आया, जब राजा बने, तब दिखाया उन्होंने कि एक श्रेष्ठ राजा का क्या मतलब होता है। परिवार बाद में, पहले मेरी प्रजा, ये उदाहरण दिया उन्होंने राजा का, है कि नहीं। नहीं तो क्या होता है, राजा लोग आजकल अपने परिवार का पेट भरते रहते, परिवार का, अपने पुत्र को, अपने पति पत्नी के बारे में सोचते रहते, प्रजा का सोचते नहीं। तो भगवान राम ने दिखाया एक राजा का क्या अर्थ होता है। श्रेष्ठ राजा, जब समय आया, परिवार बाद में, परिवार को कभी उन्होंने प्रजा से ऊपर नहीं रखा। जिस पत्नी के लिए पूरी दुनिया से लड़ गए, उस पत्नी को भी प्रजा के आगे उन्होंने नहीं रखा। और इसीलिए श्रेष्ठ पिता अपने पुत्रों के लिए एक आदर्श पिता का उदाहरण दिया, है कि नहीं। पुत्र ऐसे ही पिता से तो पुत्र सीखेंगे, तो पुत्र क्या सीखेंगे कि पत्नी के पीछे घूमते रहो, नहीं। तो एक श्रेष्ठ पिता का भी उदाहरण दिया कि एक श्रेष्ठ पिता हो, क्योंकि पुत्र भी तो कल को राजा बनेगा, तो उसे पता होना चाहिए कि हमें कैसे जीवन जीना है। तो श्रेष्ठतम मनुष्य जो इस पृथ्वी पे आज तक रहे, वो है भगवान राम। आदर्श, सबके लिए आदर्श, हम सबके लिए आदर्श। तो रावण जो था वो दर्शाता है एक बहुत ही आप कह सकते हैं बहुत ही लालची मनुष्य, लालच भरा पड़ा था उसके अंदर। वो चाहता था कि लक्ष्मी यानी सीता माता को राम से अलग करना और खुद के लिए खुद भोगना लक्ष्मी को, जो आजकल हम देखते हैं भौतिक जगत में लोग करते हैं। लक्ष्मी को भगवान के लिए नहीं लगाते, स्वयं उसको भोगना चाहते हैं। तो वो रावण उसको दर्शाता है, रावण की जो दशा है वो ये दर्शाती है। और भगवान ऐसे मनुष्यों का विनाश करने के लिए भी तैयार रहते हैं। तो भगवान के नियम के अनुसार कोई ऐसा कर नहीं सकता और अंततः उसका विनाश होना है। तो भगवान राम जो हैं वो पूर्ण अवतार हैं, पूर्ण अवतार हैं, 6 की 6 शक्तियों के साथ। षड ऐश्वर्य पूर्णम जो कहते हैं, वो भगवान राम हैं। और उन्होंने आके एक श्रेष्ठ मनुष्य का उदाहरण हम सबके आगे दिया है। 24वां श्लोक। यस्मा अदादुदधिरूढ़ भयांग वेपो मार्गम सपद्य रिपुरम हरवद्य धक्षोः दूरे सुहृन्मथित रोष शुशोण दृष्ट्या तातप्यमान मकरोरग नक्र चक्रः यस्मा अदादुदधिरूढ़ भयांग वेपो मार्गम सपद्य रिपुरम हरवद्य धक्षोः दूरे सुहृन्मथित रोष शुशोण दृष्ट्या तातप्यमान मकरोरग नक्र चक्रः। ट्रांसलेशन अनुवाद। The personality of Godhead Ramchandra, being aggrieved for his distant intimate friend Sita, glanced over the city of the enemy Ravan with red-hot eyes like those of Hara, who wanted to burn the kingdom of heaven. The great ocean, trembling in fear, gave him his way, because its family members, the aquatics like the sharks, snakes, and crocodiles, were being burned by the heat of the angry red-hot eyes of the Lord. अब हम इसका अनुवाद देख लेते हैं हिंदी में। तो परम पुरुषोत्तम भगवान राम अपनी प्रिय सीता के विरह के कारण रावण की लंका को बहुत ही क्रोध भरे नेत्रों से देखा, जो बिल्कुल अग्नि की तरह लाल हो गई थी, और जो समुद्र था वो उनके क्रोध के डर से उसने भगवान राम को रास्ता दिया, क्योंकि उसके सारे जीव भगवान के क्रोध की गर्मी से मर रहे थे। अब आप देखिए क्या कह रहे हैं ब्रह्मा जी। ब्रह्मा जी क्या कह रहे हैं? यस्मा अदाद उदधि रूढ़। उदधि रूढ़ तो उदधि का मतलब होता है समुद्र, तो रूढ़ भया भगवान के भय के कारण जो समुद्र था उसने अदात दिया। क्या दिया? अंग वेपो। वो समुद्र जो था वो डर से कांप रहा था। किसके डर से? भगवान राम के डर से। और क्या दिया फिर? मार्गम, रास्ता दे दिया। सपदि हरिपुरम हरवद धक्षो। जब तो भगवान का जो गुस्सा था, क्रोध था, किसके प्रति था? तो हरवद अरिपुरम, अपने दुश्मन, अपने शत्रु के राज्य को उन्होंने देखा क्रोध से। दूरे सुहृन मथित, क्योंकि वहां पे उनकी प्रेमिका सीता मैया बैठी थी। रोष शुशोण दृष्टिया, और उनके क्रोध के अग्नि से तातप्यमान मकर उरग नक्र चक्र। समुद्र के अंदर जितने भी मकर का मतलब होता है जो मछलियां रहती हैं, और शार्क मछली होती है। कई बार मगरमच्छ को भी कहते हैं। उरगा, उरगा का मतलब सांप। नक्र जो होता है वो मगरमच्छ को कहते हैं। और चक्र, तो ये जितने भी जीव जंतु थे पानी के, वो सब उनके क्रोध के ज्वाला से तप रहे थे, मर रहे थे। किसके क्रोध से? भगवान राम के। और उनकी आंखें लाल हो गई थी रोष, गुस्से के कारण। आप देखिए, तो ऐसा नहीं कि भगवान को गुस्सा नहीं आता, लेकिन उनका गुस्सा हमारे जैसा नहीं है। भगवान को जब क्रोध आता है तो समुद्र जलने लगते हैं। आप देखिए, तो शास्त्रों में बताया गया है, नित्यो नित्यानाम चेतनश् चेतनानाम एको बहुनाम यो विदधाति कामान। तो हम भी नित्य हैं और भगवान भी नित्य हैं, लेकिन हम तुच्छ मतलब बहुत ही छोटे, बहुत ही छोटे हैं, और भगवान विभू हैं। हम बूंद हैं और भगवान सागर हैं। तो जो हमारे अंदर भाव है वो भगवान के अंदर भी, लेकिन भगवान के अंदर जो भाव है उसको हम पूजते हैं। यहाँ पे ब्रह्मा जी पूज रहे हैं, यहाँ पे भगवान ब्रह्मा जी भगवान का गुणगान गाथा गा रहे हैं। जो उनका क्रोध है, कोई हमारे क्रोध की गाथा थोड़ी गाता है। ब्रह्मा जी सृष्टि के रचयिता भगवान के क्रोध के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं। आप देखिए, तो ये भगवान का क्रोध है कि जब भगवान क्रोधित होते हैं तो क्या होता है, समुद्र जलने लगते हैं। ये भगवान का क्रोध है। तो भगवान का क्रोध जब उनको आया तो समुद्र को रास्ता देना पड़ा भगवान को, क्योंकि समुद्र के सारे जीव जलने लग गए। समुद्र जलने लग गया, भय से कांपने लग गया समुद्र, समुद्र देवता। तो कई जो इस तरह के जो जिन्हें ज्ञान नहीं है वो इस तरह की बातें करते कि भगवान को कैसे क्रोध आ सकता है। क्यों नहीं आ सकता? तुम दोगे भगवान को क्रोध? तुम बताओगे भगवान को क्या आना है क्या नहीं आना है। लेकिन भगवान का क्रोध हमारे जैसा नहीं है। वो ये जड़ जड़ क्रोध नहीं है, वो दिव्य है। क्योंकि उनके क्रोध से तो अ, यहाँ सागर जलने लग गया। किसी के क्रोध से समुद्र जलता है क्या? तो ये भगवान का क्रोध है, ये दिव्य है। तो भगवान के भी का भी भाव है, लेकिन वो दिव्य है, वो हमारी तरह नहीं। और उनका क्रोध भी पूजनीय है। भौतिक जगत में जो क्रोध होता है लोगों का, वो पूजनीय नहीं होता। लेकिन भगवान को जब क्रोध आता है वो पूजा जाता है। तो इसलिए हम सब बहुत ही छोटे आयाम पे, हमारा जो क्रोध है बहुत ही छोटे आयाम पे है। भगवान का क्रोध जो है वो दिव्य आयाम पे है। तो जो भगवान को नहीं समझते, जो भगवान को नहीं जानते, वो भगवान के क्रोध को भी नहीं जानते। क्योंकि हमारे अंदर जो भी भावनाएं हैं, हमारे अंदर जो भाव है, वो कहाँ उसका स्रोत क्या है? भगवान ही तो है। क्योंकि हमारे स्रोत भगवान है, तो हमारी भाव जो हमारे अंदर है उसके भी स्रोत भगवान ही है। लेकिन हमारा जो भाव है वो अभी चूंकि हम जड़ जगत में है, वो जड़ है। भगवान कभी जड़ जगत में नहीं होते, और उनका जो भाव है वो शाश्वत है। उनका जो भाव है वो दिव्य है। ठीक है, तो वो यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं। और भगवान के हर भाव की पूजा होती है। भगवान जो भी करते हैं वो पूजनीय होता है। इसीलिए लीला कहा जाता है। हमारे किसी कर्म को लीला नहीं कहते, भगवान के हर कर्म को लीला कहते हैं। तो वो यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं। अब 25वां श्लोक। वक्षस्थल स्पर्श रुग्ण महेंद्र वाह, दंतैर्विडंबित कुकुब्जुष ऊढ़हासम, सद्यो सुभिः सह विनेष्यति दार हर्तुर, विस्फुर्जितैर्धनुष उच्चरतोऽधिसैन्ये, वक्षस्थल स्पर्श रुग्ण महेंद्र वाह, दंतैर्विडंबित ककुब्जुष ऊढ़हासम, सद्यो सुभिः सह विनेष्यति दार हर्तुर, विस्फुर्जितैर्धनुष उच्चरतोऽधिसैन्ये। Translation: When Ravan was engaged in the battle, the trunk of the elephant which carried the king of heaven, Indra, broke in pieces, having collided with the chest of Ravan, and the scattered broken parts illuminated all directions. Ravan therefore felt proud of his prowess and began to loiter in the midst of the fighting soldiers, thinking himself the conqueror of all directions. But his laughter, overtaken by joy, along with his very air of life, suddenly ceased with the tingling sound of the bow of Ramchandra, the personality of Godhead. अब हम इसका अनुवाद देख लेते हैं हिंदी में। तो ब्रह्मा जी कह रहे नारद मुनि से कि जब रावण युद्ध में था तो इंद्र इंद्र के हाथी ऐरावत के जो दांत हैं वो टुकड़े टुकड़े हो गए जब वो रावण के छाती से टकराया। और रावण इस कारण बहुत घमंड में हंसने लगा अपनी शक्ति के कारण, लेकिन उसकी हंसी और उसकी खुशी का विनाश हुआ भगवान राम के धनुष के कारण। तो भगवान राम के धनुष से रावण की हंसी और उसका सब कुछ का विनाश हो गया। अब आप देखिए, तो राखे कृष्ण मारे के, मारे कृष्ण राखे के। कोई कितना भी शक्तिशाली हो, अगर भगवान ने सोच लिया मारने का तो कोई बचा नहीं सकता। और कोई कितना भी कमजोर हो, अगर भगवान ने सोच लिया बचाने का तो कोई मार नहीं सकता। तो वही यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं कि वक्षस्थल स्पर्श, वक्ष मतलब उनका रावण की जो छाती है, जो उसके जो छाती है, सीना है, तो स्पर्श रुग्ण महेंद्र वाह। तो जब महेंद्र वाह, महेंद्र मतलब इंद्र, उनका जो वाहन है यानी ऐरावत हाथी, दंतैर विडंबित ककुब्जुष, तो उसके जो दांत है हाथी के वो चकनाचूर हो गए रावण के छाती से टकरा के। उड़ हासम, और रावण इस घमंड में हंसने लगा। और सद्यो सुभी सह विनेशति दार हरतु, दार हरतु, दार मतलब पत्नी, हरतुर का मतलब अपहरण करने वाला। तो उसने सीता माता का अपहरण कर लिया और अपने घमंड के कारण हंसने लगा। तो विस्फुर्जितैर धनुष उच्चरतो अधिसैन्य, सेना के बीच में रावण था और विस्फुर्जितैर धनुष, भगवान के धनुष की टंकार से रावण की प्राणवायु खत्म, भगवान रावण की प्राणवायु हर ली भगवान ने। उनके धनुष के टंकार से उसके प्राण नष्ट हो गए, रावण नष्ट हो गया, उसकी सारी हंसी खत्म हो गई। ये यहाँ पे ब्रह्मा जी नारद मुनि से बता रहे हैं कि जब भगवान के धनुष की टंकार बजी तो रावण जैसा शक्तिशाली राक्षस दानव, जिसने सीता माता का अपहरण कर लिया था, जो बहुत ही शक्तिशाली था, जिसके कारण, जिसके छाती से टकरा के इंद्र के ऐरावत, उनके वाहन ऐरावत का दांत चकनाचूर हो गया, उसकी हंसी को भगवान के धनुष के टंकार से नष्ट हो गया। तो ये भगवान है, भगवान राम। तो आप लोग वीडियो को लाइक कर लीजिए, कमेंट कर लीजिए। आज यही अपने सत्र को विराम देंगे। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। हरे कृष्ण।